Hey everyone, Aaron here from Jim's Antennas. Now at Jim's Antennas, we don't just install fantastic antennas, our motto is more than antennas. So a few of the jobs that some of our guys will do are big, vast ranging commercial jobs. So some of these buildings could be simple as your gym. Is your gym need an upgrade of TVs? Does it need an upgrade of the sound system? Your footy club, your local footy club, does it need an upgrade of the sound system as well? Does it need speakers outside so you can play the theme song when the team's running out in the ground? Does it need a new projector, a new screen? Does your house need Wi-Fi? Does it need to get rid of the dead spots of Wi-Fi within your house? Are you a commercial builder? Does the commercial building, your warehouse, need access points? Does it need cameras? Does it need security? At Jim's Antennas, we are more than just antennas. So if we can help with any of these solutions to your problems, don't hesitate to give us a call for an obligation-free quote on 131546 or check us out at jimsantennas.com.au.